Hi YouTubers, thanks for supporting the channel, and I'm after getting 100 subscriptions already, so I'm amazed, and thanks very much. I was looking at things here in Ireland over the years when the government wanted to close a hospital. They knew if they were going to just close it that there'd be uproar, there'd be marches, etc. So how the government got around this was they'd sort of starve it of resources, and then there'd be major cock-ups and staffing problems. And then the locals, after about 4 or 5 years, when they hear that it's going to close, then they say great, because that was a shithole of a hospital. Even though for the previous decades it was a brilliant hospital. People have short memories. Now I wonder, is this being worked on a bigger scale with, say, the NHS in England or the HSC in Ireland, that the government, their plans are overwhelming both systems. Even in Poland, any public sector, all the public sector hospitals, etc., are being overwhelmed by the amount of people using them. And it is leading to cock-ups. And I'm wondering, is there a bigger plan behind this? Like, in Ireland, it was around 1947 that the Department of Health was set up and the public hospital system started coming into play. So, like, in the history of, say, man, it's only in the last, say, 50 to 70 years where we've had access to public medical treatment. And I reckon the big boys don't like that in corporate boardrooms around the world, the globalists. And I reckon that all these public health systems are being overwhelmed with the idea that eventually they can't function, and eventually people will get pissed off. Eventually these private companies will come in as their saviours, and they will take over the hospitals at a, say, penny in the dollar, and start making you pay. There'll be no other options but just to pay private medical institutions for, you know, if you're sick or anything. Now, that's just a theory of mine, but it looks fairly like it's accurate, you know what I mean? It's happening everywhere, and it's not by fluke, or it's happening on a consistent basis in every country. So what do you think? If you agree or disagree, please comment in the comment section below, and if you like the content, please subscribe. And again, thanks again for supporting the channel. Thanks.